Hi, I'm Dean Lee. I work at the Harbour School in the Foundry. And there's this project we worked on called the Memoria of the Sea. For me, it started at a social event where I met Gisèle, and she was presenting to me a vision of a structure that represented the seas, the oceans, and what is connected to the oceans and how can we capture it and present it, and its fluidity, its vulnerability, its need for care and stuff like that. And I thought, oh, that's really interesting, and I got the importance of the need for the message that our oceans need care. And I thought, okay, yeah. And I was working at the time with the Harbour School's high school, and we had just started, we were about to start term 2. And in term 2, I ran a course called Sustainability in Action Community Focused Design, within which the students were to identify and ideate and build a product with some community focused benefit of sustainable product. And I knew the student because I'd worked with them for a couple of years, and I thought, I'm going to see if I can align Gisèle with this student group and have them collaboratively work together for an extended period of time to bring this vision to life. So we all spoke about it, and we went through the administrative process of that, and they said yes, and we started working together in the Foundry. So the students were here 5 hours a week. Gisèle was here 5 hours a week for about 7 weeks, I think. And we went through a process of ideating, what are we going to do, what's it going to look like, its dimensions, its structure, its materials. And we built the product. We decided it was going to be structured out of a bamboo, so we purchased some decarbonised bamboo. We built corner support structures so it could be put together. The Foundry, myself and Mr. Francis, who run and lead the Foundry, supported to construct the structure, so it was a dismantleable product in parts, but strong as well. So we built the parts suitable for transportation, dismantling, reconstructing, that sort of stuff. And we included multiple materials, from steel to fishing nets to seashells to recycled glass to fishing nets to recycled trees, all sorts of stuff, recycled plastic pieces. And we built this abstract, raw version of a vision, and it's come to life, and it will be on display, and you can come and see it too.